In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly on WordPress so you can easily schedule appointments through your website. Whether you're a business owner, a consultant, or anyone looking to streamline your scheduling process, integrating Calendly into your WordPress site can be a real game changer. So let's jump right in and go through the steps together. First things first, we need to navigate to wordpress.com. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type that into the address bar. Once you've arrived at the WordPress homepage, you'll see an option to log in. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Now, you may see a couple of options for logging in, but for our purpose today, the simplest route is to continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account credentials securely and efficiently. Just click on Continue with Google, and a new window should appear asking you to choose your Google account from the list. Select the account that's linked to your WordPress site. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your WordPress dashboard. Over on the right panel, there are some quick links to help you navigate quickly. Look for the link that says Edit Site and give it a click. This action will take you to the WordPress editor where you can make changes to your website. Now focus your attention on the top left of your screen. You should see an Add button. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop-down menu where you can add different types of blocks or features to your site. In the search bar that appears, simply type in Calendly. Once the search results come up, you should see a block labeled Calendly. Click on this option to add the Calendly block to your WordPress website. This integration allows visitors to view your Calendly calendar directly on your webpage, making it easier for them to book appointments with you. It's a seamless way to manage all your schedules without needing visitors to leave your site. By embedding Calendly on your WordPress site, you've taken a significant step forward in organizing your appointments and providing a convenient user experience for your visitors. Remember, being clear and streamlined in your booking process not only saves you time but also enhances the professional image of your website. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.